Welcome to our channel, LearnTurk WB. Boost your Turkish. Learn 52 basic Turkish phrases in this video and master Turkish and English effortlessly. Don't forget to like, hit the bell icon, and subscribe for more language tips and tutorials.
Merhaba, merhaba, or merhaba, merhaba.
Hello. Hello. This is a general greeting that can be used at any time of the day, formal and informal.
Merhabalar, merhabalar ya da merhabalar, merhabalar.
Hello is used as a polite and respectful way of saying hello. It is typically used in formal settings or when you want to show extra politeness.
Selam, selam.
Hi. Hi. Informal.
Selamün aleyküm. Selamün aleyküm.
Peace upon you. Peace upon you. Traditional Islamic greeting. It is used in both formal and informal settings, often in religious contexts.
Aleyküm selam. Aleyküm selam.
And peace be upon you. And peace be upon you. This is the response to Selamun Aleyküm.
Hoşça kal. Hoşça kal.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Informal, said to someone staying.
Hoşça kalın. Hoşça kalın.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Formal.
Güle güle. Güle güle.
Goodbye. Goodbye. This is said to someone who is leaving and means go with a smile.
Allah'a ısmarladık. Allah'a ısmarladık.
Goodbye. Goodbye. This phrase means I leave you in God's care and is used when someone is leaving. It is often used in both formal and informal settings, especially among religious people.
Allah'a emanet. Allah'a emanet.
God bless you. God bless you. Semi-formal, especially among religious people.
Kendine iyi bak. Kendine iyi bak.
Take care. Take care. This informal phrase means take care of yourself.
Kendinize iyi bakın. Kendinize iyi bakın.
Take care. Take care. Formal.
Görüşürüz. Görüşürüz.
See you. See you. Informal.
Görüşmek üzere. Görüşmek üzere.
See you soon. See you soon. Formal.
Sağlıcakla kal. Sağlıcakla kal.
Stay healthy. Stay healthy. Informal.
İyi yolculuklar. İyi yolculuklar.
Have a good trip. Have a good trip.
Evet. Evet.
Yes. Yes.
Hayır. Hayır.
No. No.
Günaydın. Günaydın.
Good morning. Good morning.
Tünaydın. Tünaydın.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
İyi akşamlar. İyi akşamlar.
Good evening. Good evening.
İyi geceler. İyi geceler.
Good night. Good night.
Hoş geldin. Hoş geldin. Informal. Hoş geldiniz. Hoş geldiniz. Formal.
Welcome. Welcome.
Hoş bulduk. Hoş bulduk.
Thank you. Thank you. His formal phrase is a response
To hoş geldiniz.
and means thank you for welcoming me.
Tamam. Tamam.
Okay. Okay.
Nasılsın? Nasılsın?
How are you? How are you? Informal.
Nasılsınız? Nasılsınız?
How are you? How are you? Formal.
İyiyim. Sen nasılsın? İyiyim. Sen nasılsın?
I'm fine. And you? Informal.
Formal. İyiyim. Sağ olun. Siz nasılsınız?
I'm fine. Thanks. And you?
Fena değilim. Fena değilim.
I'm not bad. I'm not bad.
İyi değilim. İyi değilim.
I'm not fine. I'm not fine.
Kolay gelsin. Kolay gelsin.
Good luck. Good luck. More power to you.
Afiyet olsun. Afiyet olsun.
Enjoy your meal. Enjoy your meal.
Sıhhatler olsun. Sıhhatler olsun.
Good health to you. Good health to you. Often after they have bathed or shaved.
Geçmiş olsun. Geçmiş olsun.
Get well soon. Get well soon is used to wish someone a speedy recovery from an illness or hardship.
Çok yaşa. Çok yaşa.
Bless you. Bless you. After someone sneezes.
Hep beraber. Hep beraber. Ya sen de gör. Sen de gör.
And you.
Hep beraber.
Together and is often used in response to,
Çok yaşa.
similar to and you in English.
Sen de gör.
Is often used in response to well wishes, meaning and you too.
Affedersiniz. Affedersiniz.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Used in various contexts to apologize, get someone's attention, or ask for permission.
Pardon, pardon,
Excuse me, sorry. It is used in various situations to politely get someone's attention, apologize for a minor mistake, or ask for repetition.
kusura bakma. Informal, kusura bakmayın. Formal.
Sorry. Excuse me, apologizing for a mistake, asking for forgiveness. This phrase can be used to politely get someone's attention or interrupt them.
Özür dilerim, özür dilerim.
I apologize, I'm sorry. This phrase is used to express regret and apology, formal and informal.
Üzgünüm, üzgünüm.
I'm sorry. This phrase is used to express regret or apology.
Önemli değil, önemli değil. Ya da bir şey değil, bir şey değil.
It's not important. This phrase is used to downplay a situation, or respond casually to a thank you or to respond to an apology.
Sorun yok, sorun yok.
No problem. No problem. This phrase is used to reassure someone that everything is okay.
Teşekkür ederim, teşekkür ederim.
Thank you. Thank you. Formal.
Teşekkürler, teşekkürler.
Thank you. Thank you. Informal.
Sağ ol, sağ ol.
Thanks. Thanks. Informal.
Sağ olun, sağ olun.
Thanks. Thanks. Formal.
Merci, merci.
Thanks. Thanks. This informal word is borrowed from French merci and means thanks.
Ellerine sağlık, ellerine sağlık.
God bless your hands. God bless your hands. This informal phrase is used to compliment someone's work or effort.
Ellerinize sağlık, ellerinize sağlık.
God bless your hands. This formal phrase is a polite version.
Av ellerine sağlık.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Is used in response to thanks.